Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix UKG Ready app not working. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen. After that, click on settings. Now scroll down, go to apps. Click on apps and now click on manage apps. And in the search bar, type UKG. After that, in the app info section, you will see app permission option. Click on app permissions. And here you will see all the necessary permission required for your UKG Ready app. If you see any not allowed permission, you have to allow it because it will help you to fix your issue. After applying all the necessary permission, you have to go to your home screen and open your UKG Ready app and see if your app is working properly or not. If it's not working, then you have to go to your UKG Ready website and tell them that you are facing this issue. They will help you to fix this issue and guide you for further assistance. Hopefully these methods will working for you. Thanks for watching.